Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana on Bitvavo. And for this, first of all, make sure that you log into your Bitvavo wallet account, because if you go right in the bottom to wallet, you need to have available balance. So right now, if I click here on available balance, we have around 10 euros that we can spend. And keep in mind, if you want to buy a coin, you need a minimum of $5 to buy something. So that is very important to know. Then from here we go to assets and then click on search, and then we search here for Solana. Then we click on Solana, and then right now you see here the chart. Then if you want to buy Solana, click here on buy. Then what you need to do is you need to fill in a minimum of 5 euros. But hey, let's see, if you want to buy a piece of Solana, but you had in mind, I want to buy 2 Solana, then you click here on the 2 arrows right here on the screen, and then you fill in 2, and then you can buy 2 Solana. Now, I don't have enough money for this, but right now, if I delete this, click on the arrows, I want to buy 5 euros of Solana. So right now we fill in 5, we go to preview order. You see here the order, so we will buy 0.036 Solana. And right now, if I click here on buy Sol, we just purchased a 5 euro Solana. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.